guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the top lessons that I learned after swing trading full-time for over 4 years. These are going to be lessons that I wish I would have known before going into it and lessons that I learned during this 4-year period of doing this every single day. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, we talk about everything money, stocks, money management, trading, investing, credit cards, how to save, news, stuff like that. So if you find that interesting, subscribe and join the team. So guys, let's jump into it. Let's go. All right, so now for those of you that don't know what swing trading is pretty much when you buy a stock, you hold it for more than a day, but less than 1 year. When you buy and sell a stock during the same trading day, that's considered a day trade. It's a different type of trading style, strategy, mindset. When you buy a stock and you hold it for more than a year, it's a different strategy, mindset, and even tax bracket. So swing trading, on average, I hold my swing trades for about 2 weeks. Now that we kind of understand what swing trading is, now let's talk about the top lessons I've learned. So the first lesson that I learned is it's not easy. Now starting out, I felt like I was going to be profitable within 5 days and I'm going to be driving a Lamborghini in the next month. Guys, it's not easy. At the end of the day, what we see online, it does not match reality. If you go on YouTube, you'll see traders flexing money in Lambos. You'll see people saying how to learn swing trading in 30 days, in 2 days, in 1 day. The reality is it's a career. The best mindset that I've came up with right now is this thing's a career. How long does it take an engineer to become an engineer or a doctor to become a doctor? It takes years of practice, hard work, and overall education. The more you learn, the more you'll earn with swing trading. And the biggest thing that I can stress is practice, practice, practice. You'll see traders online saying you can paper trade for a week and you'll develop the winning secret, the winning strategy. No. You're gonna need to paper trade for at least 1 year. And I know it sounds so long, but just start. The biggest thing that I see traders do is jump into the driver's seat way too quick. When you start using your hard-earned cash, you should be an expert on patterns, on your chart, on your software, on swing trading, on your strategy, on different types of market conditions. You're gonna need to experience all different types of market conditions. It's just the best approach is paper trading for as long as you can because you'll understand the markets better. The second thing that I've learned is it's never too early to take profits. A lot of people like to say, oh, just hold this thing, hold it. It's going to the moon, it's going to the moon. Guys, I've never lost money taking profits early. You'll see people online saying they're up 500% or whatever it is. I'm not afraid to take money out when I'm up 1% or 2% or 0.5%. The reason why is because I've never lost money taking profits. It's the biggest thing. As a trader, your emotions are so heightened, they're so high that you think your trade is gonna 10x or 20x or whatever it is. The reality of it is it's always better to just take profits and just sit on the sidelines. Take profits, sit on the sidelines. So the biggest thing that I can recommend is if you're up on your money and you're not 100% confident on your price targets, on your profits, then just take your profit and just sit back. All right, so the next lesson, before we jump into that, hit that like button and subscribe if you guys are loving these types of videos. I enjoy making them, but let's move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is it's okay not to trade. Sometimes you're not gonna find stocks, you're not gonna find opportunities, and it's always better to trade a high quality setup than a crappy or crummy setup and lose money. Trade high quality picks over quantity. It's always better to have quality over quantity in trading. The biggest thing is just practice, 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 find those opportunities, and just quality over quantity. You'll definitely make a lot more money in the long run doing that. All right, so the last and final lesson that I've learned after 4 years of trading is treat swing trading like a business, like a career, or whatever you want to call it. Now, the reason why I want to bring this up is because a lot of people like to consider swing trading as hobbies or something to pass time. Maybe I'll just buy this stock and hold it and see where it goes. No, swing trading should be a craft. It should be your career. You should literally just breathe swing trading. You should be constantly looking for stocks, finding opportunities, understanding profit 1, profit 2, profit 3, stop loss, support, resistance, all that stuff. You guys should be constantly constantly looking at it. Not to mention, with a business, in order to grow it, you're gonna need to reinvest inside the business. And I know you're saying, Carter, what does that mean? How can I reinvest back into the business as a swing trader? Guys, they have a whole bunch of fantastic software, specially designed for swing trading to find stock, find opportunities like trade ideas. It's expensive, 120 bucks a month, but it helps you find those opportunities faster than other traders. Not to mention, you guys can get better Wi-Fi, which will help with execution. All that stuff goes a long way with swing trading. And honestly, treat it like a business, reinvest those profits back into it, and you'll definitely see some more returns. So guys, that is it. Those are the top lessons that I learned after swing trading for over 4 years. I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care, everyone.